You have spoken. You own at least 100 million Shiba, according to this poll question a couple of days ago. In fact, it was 21 hours ago. 55% voted that I have at least 100 million Shiba. So thank you for everybody voting. 2.2, thousand. Thank you. So I got something to share with you. So if I own 100 million SHIB, when is the good time to sell or to swap or to make a move? Let's dive into that right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We're gonna have some fun today, but more importantly, we'll get you clear exactly what is your strategy is if you have a strategy. So right now, SHIB price is what it is right now. 5 zeros with a 7019. And I did an estimation exactly, when could you sell? So I went to my own spreadsheet, the Captain NU spreadsheet, and I put down 100 million SHIB owned. Now, I put the price what it was about 20 minutes ago, to be honest with you, and that's why you see the value with the SHIB price. The value is $686.20. It has 5 zeros in this price, and I did a little bit of estimation what the market cap would be like. So that's what the market cap is, in the billions. So that's doable. That's what it is basically right now. But I know you don't want to sell or swap or do anything at this particular time because it's really not much of a profit. So let's scroll down here to the next one here. This would be the next pricing that you can consider. That's taking 1 zero off this current price, and your profit now is $6,862. It's the value of it. It based on how much you actually invested it in terms of what profit that will be. But the value is $6,862. 4 zeros in this price. The market cap definitely grows into 27 billion in the market cap of Shiba with that type of pricing. So you're like, okay, $6,862. That's not bad, but I think I want a little bit more, which requires a lot of waiting and a lot of patience. So if I scroll on the way down a little bit, and we get to another price action movement here. That means there's 3 zeros in this price. I still own 100 million SHIB, and now the value's up $68,620. Now that's something to really think about. Should I sell? Now the market cap is 270 billion. So that really that thing grows to a pretty good sized market cap. Could it happen? Anything is possible. So that's not a bad place to at least consider. Just consider taking some profits, to be honest with you. So 3 zeros in this price, that's not bad at all. So I would highly think about this one and this one, at least taking some profit. So just trying to help you with the strategy. So the next pricing is no brainer. Now this is going to take a lot for it to happen. Bitcoin and the rest of the market has to be really going up, and Shiba definitely have to be development in terms of what their value is as well. So 100 million SHIB you still own. Remember, 55% voted that they have 100 million, and you did as well. So that means 2 zeros in this price. What is that? $686,200. Now you can pay off the house. You can buy a new car. Little Timmy can now get those nice pair of shoes. He can go running now. But anyway, you're in the trillions now in terms of the market cap. 2.7 trillion. So that's something really to consider. Could it happen? Anything is possible, but a lot will have to happen for that to hit that number. So if you're willing to wait, be patient, anything is possible. So that's what the price for that is now. Now, I'm going to go to the next price here, and I think a lot of people is hoping it gets to this price, which is the famous 1 cent. Now, currently, Shiba has 5 zeros in this price. If I go a little quick, look at it, and if I go back here, a lot has to happen to be able to get there. It's possible. So 1 cent, 100 million SHIB, that's simple, $1 million. 1 zero in this price, but that market cap is 23 trillion just for Shiba alone. Now remember, this is just an estimation. And I'm actually taking the circulating supply with this. So I actually calculate all this in the current circulating supply, which means this is just an estimation in terms of the market cap for Shiba. But man, if that hits 1 cent, oh my goodness. Your 100 million SHIB, which you might have paid about $686 in terms of the value of that, turns into $1 million maybe in 5 to 6 years. Possibility. So that is really, really good. Smoking. And I did one more here. I was thinking, maybe people want to wait 10 years, maybe longer. And Shiba go ahead and hits the 10 cent mark. 39 trillion in the market cap, $10 million off that 100 million SHIB that you decided to wait on several years back. And now you get a chance to really, really do something special. 10 million. It takes patience. It takes diamond hands. It takes ignoring all the negative news and all the negative Nancy's. It's saying, I'm going to hold on to this and see what happens. Anything is possible. I know the market cap has to be a lot, but you'll be making a lot. And your 100 million SHIB would be worth a lot. But hey, anything's possible. I just want to show you something. If you don't have any strategy, I know you have at least 100 million SHIB. You're probably sitting there thinking, when should I sell? When should I swap? I gave you a couple of options to look forward to. And to remember, it's always good to take some profit if that's something you want to do. That's something you want to do. Not necessarily give you necessary advice. Give you something to think about. So that's all I got to say on this one. My favorite one, to be honest with you, I actually kind of like them all. To me personally, I like them all except for this one. I feel like if I got 100 million SHIB, I'll definitely wait at least to a 1-0. I think when 1-0 comes here, that's when I start really thinking about my strategy. My strategy will start to really get going. At least 1-0. That's just my opinion. That's what I would do. The 2-0, this one's probably what I'm personally waiting on. I'll just tell you, when it gets to that price, that's when I'm really start moving in terms of my next stage of my strategy, which means probably swap or sell, to be honest with you. We'll see. But I always have some type of SHIB in my portfolio. So think about this. Watch this video a couple of times. Just think about a strategy. Think about your exit strategy. Or you may not even have an exit strategy. You might be diamond hands forever. And if that's the case, that is good too. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Captain NU is here to help you with a strategy and some type of extra strategy, because it's good to have on each and every single asset that you own. I don't care if it's stock, real estate, or crypto. It's good to have some type of strategy. I'll see you later on the next video. If you don't have your Coinbase account, click on the link below. Sign up for a free Coinbase account. Shiba's on there now, and it's very easy and simple to get that on there with low fees. eToro is really good to get it on, and also Webull. That's what I was thinking about, Webull. So click on the link below, get signed up, get your Shiba today, and I'll see you on the next video.